Okay, this is a My People Vote tutorial on how to reset your voters who voted in the previous cycle of this election. So congratulations, this must mean that you're in a runoff election. So what we do is we log in to our administrative site and we're going to download our CSV file of our entire campaign. If you have a campaign with more than 50,000 voters, you'll have multiple files. Each file holds up to 50,000 rows or 50,000 voters, and you'll have to combine those files. But this campaign has one file, so we'll open it up. And what we're looking to do here is we're just going to grab one column of information from this entire database. We're going to delete everything else. So we're going to go all the way over and delete everything except for the registration number. And here is that registration number. So we're going to delete everything except for the registration number. So we have in column A, we're going to insert another column. We're going to call this column voted. This is very similar to creating the voter file that we updated your early voters with, but this time we're going to clear them all out with this new CSV file. And again, it's important that this file be saved as a CSV file. Unlike the early voted file where we typed in yes and filtered it and populated it all the way down, these numbers, these registration numbers must have nothing in the cells to the left of them. And this is going to reset our database and clear out everyone who voted so that we can start over again for the runoff election. So we're going to file, we're going to save this as, we're going to save it on the desktop. It must be saved, this must be saved as a CSV, not an XLS or XLSX. This must be a file that is a CSV file. And let's name this test MPV clear voted. We're going to save it on the desktop, close it out, and now we're going to go to the update voted file. We're going to choose the file that we just created, and it was called the clear voted file. Open and submit. So now we have a new clean database where no one has voted yet for the runoff election.